Hey guys, Matt, Burns Power Tools here. Today we have Pierre in store. Pierre, what's up, buddy?
Hey, how's it going, Matt? Good to see you again.
Good to see you too. So not only did you bring a ton of lasers for us to check out, you also brought this aluminum tripod, right? And
Yeah, this is our PLS elevator tripod.
So wait, up and down?
Up and down,
Up and down. I like it.
up and down, and actually multifunctional. So it'll take a 5/8 11 threading of any rotary laser, as well as a 1/4 inch 20 on any pocket laser.
Okay, so we can easily switch from this right here
Please take it off.
all the way to that bad boy right there. Now, how this goes up to what, 9 feet? Is that correct?
Yeah, this will actually telescope up to 9.5 feet, and it will break down and telescope down into 2.5 feet to fit into a bag.
Oh, that's great. So it comes with its own bag and it's light and easy.
Absolutely. So it'll also come with the 1/4 inch 20 threading, so this allows you to pop on any 1/4 inch pocket laser and do your thing. Now you can actually crank this up or down to be at the level that you need to be at. Up and down.
That's great. Up and down. Thanks, Pierre. Appreciate it, guys. We got these in stock here at the store. You can also find them at burnstools.com. Don't forget to follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks, buddy.
You bet. Cheers.